been about, I think, 2 years since we released our platform. And the idea, we realized that when working with agencies, their brands, while iRoll provide a lot of great results and ROI in terms of generating higher return on their investment, we realized they have a lot of challenges on efficiency, just serving the ads and measuring them across devices. So we released our platform solution about 2 years ago, and since then we kept improving it. What we're actually announcing today is a relaunch of our platform under the name of Innovid Atom. That's ATOM. And the idea is we re-architected the whole solution so it'll be a much more open architecture towards partnership. The idea is what we're providing is a point solution for agencies that will provide an end-to-end solution. So it's the creation of an iRoll, but it could be also a standard pre-roll, the delivery based on targeting, time of day, etc., and the measurement across devices. So it's a one-stop shop solution for the agencies, and the key is that it's media agnostic, meaning the platform, Innovid is not, as you know, Innovid is not an ad network, it's not an exchange, it's not a DSP, it's not a marketplace, it's not an SSP, and it's not a DMP or any other acronym in the business. We're a pure tech play. That means that we can partner with everybody. We're not competing with the DSPs. And so when an agency is not sure about how they're going to buy media and how things are going to evolve, they still choose us to work with us as basically their operating system for the whole video and future of TV campaigns. Obviously, in terms of the platform business, it basically became 50% of our business. So about half of our business is obviously iRoll and engagement and pushing the envelope on additional screens. And the other half is those platform deals. We had a lot of auto brands, including Nissan, Toyota, Chrysler, that run their video across our platform. And this is, again, non-media. So they're not necessarily buying the media. They're buying the media either through DSPs, direct buy, but we deliver 100% of their impressions through our system. And regardless if they're interactive or just plain pre-roll, if they run on mobile, connected TVs, Xbox, YouTube, Hulu, it doesn't matter. 100% of it is going through our system, and we're measuring and providing them, measurable results, comparing apples to apples, without being any, we don't have any bias. Then on the entertainment side, we have Disney and Sony. Pharma, we have Pfizer. And retail, we have Best Buy. So we have from different verticals, we have platform clients, and we're actually signing now more and more on the finance side, on CPG. So 2014 is going to be a very exciting year for us on the platform end of things, and this is the reason of basically we repackaged and relaunching the whole platform. Working with customers for the last 2-3 years on the platform business, we realized that the best solution for them will not necessarily come 100% from us, right? Because they work with different vendors. For example, verification, right? While we need specific expertise for video, verification is something that's been around for a while, and then there are some excellent vendors out there like DoubleVerify, Integral, Comscore that provide solutions for display. So an agency will not necessarily want to replace the verification solution, they want to extend it into video, right? So what we're doing is basically open our platform instead of coming like some other vendors coming in and say, we're now going to set the new rules for verification for video. We partner with these companies, Integral, DoubleVerify, and Comscore, and say to our clients, now our platform is open and you can choose your own vendor, right? So you will still do the serving through us, the reporting, everything's going to be through us, but for verification engine, we're going to use any solution that you choose to work with, and they can pay them directly, or we can pay them on the back end. So, and this is just the first step. The next step is around cross-screen measurement. We're going to integrate some other solutions in the industry. And then the third step that we plan to do this year is integrating to the DSPs, which we're already serving into the DSPs. But as agencies, some of the agencies will choose certain DSPs that they work with, will basically have a better streamlined integration. So instead of coming and say, we are a one-stop shop end-to-end solution, but we're not saying that we're the best at developing everything, and we're going towards a partnership model. And that means releasing all our APIs and allowing other vendors to interact and engage with our system. We're very known for iRoll, but we're also going to open the platform for potentially competitors for iRoll to run their products across our platform.